This one here is our Platinum range. This one's going to set you back round about $700. As I've said in other videos before, mate, the life I get out of those compared to one of these, could be anywhere from 2, 3, 4 boxes of those wheels if this one's used correctly. So the value in that in itself pays for itself there. That's without the shortened grinding times and stuff like that you achieve out of this CBN wheel. The benefits, yes, these wheels, they are an expensive wheel and they need to be looked after in the right way. But the lifespan that you get out of these and the consistency that you get out of these wheels that transforms into the end product, I believe far outweighs the seated gel wheel or an aluminium oxide wheel. Again, you're looking at around about $650 to $700 for a box of 10 of these. For the same price for one wheel, yeah, I know 10, 11 wheels versus one wheel, you think, geez, that's crazy. But again, used correctly, I can get 2 to 3 boxes out of that one wheel. And that's the roughing wheel. This one here, the finishing wheel, because I'm doing so little work, mate, I couldn't count the amount of boxes I would go through with those compared to just one finishing wheel. So if you want to give these a crack, reach out to us here at Accurate Australia, and one of our sales team will be happy to help out. These seem quite expensive, but the actual value of them is absolutely incredible.